ready, finally dressed. So we are, I don't know where we're about to go, but I have to go to the store to get a few stuff. I need to get some groceries, and I also, I don't know, I just want to take her out the house. I just chill, enjoy the fresh air. We've been in the house for way too long, so I kind of just want to get her out, have her play around and stuff, and you know, kind of just enjoy our day. So yeah, show them your outfit. Outfit? Yeah, show your outfit. Stand up right here. Oh, who looks so cute? Say, I look so cute, right?
I'm so cute.
Yeah, you're so cute. I'm gonna give you a hug, okay? We are twinning, so we're both wearing blue. And we look so cute. Oh, thank you so much. All right, let's go. We're gonna go outside now, okay?
Yeah.
Woo! You having fun?
I want to fly the wing. Whoa.
Whoa! Whoa!
What is that? Whoa, don't do. See ya. I want to fly. Wait, I want to fly.
All right, wait. I gotta take you out first. Okay, so Khalees and I are basically on a little, you know, afternoon date. I brought her tablet, so she's just playing some games right now. We're waiting for the food to come. I'm really hungry. Like, I could eat a horse right now. But I'm kind of glad that we're out today enjoying the nice weather. We don't really get to do that often, especially since it's been so cold here in New York. But I'm glad to be out. Okay, so we are currently now in Target. I am in the little girls section. I'm trying to find some cute dresses and like some shoes that I can get for her since it's now getting warmer. I basically need to get her some new clothes, which they have a lot, and she is... You see any you like? Do you see any you like? Which ones do you like? They have so many pretty ones. Oh, I need to get her some pajamas for sure. Uh-oh. Which ones you put in there already?
This is pretty, Mommy.
These are the ones you like? I didn't even see her put these in the cart, y'all. This is not your size, but it's cute if this is what you like. Okay, so you like these two? Let me find your size. Look at all this stuff that she picked up. I don't even know if this is working correctly. It was literally just like sitting on a cart thing, but she loves it. And I got her like all this stuff. Literally came in here for one thing, and look what we got, a whole cart full of stuff. Okay, so we are officially back home from our little lunch date slash Target run slash just a mommy and daughter day. Right now she's kind of playing with some of her toys. I just bought her a Barbie car. And she is literally obsessed with it. So this is what it looks like. She loves it. She just picked this up from Target. So that's what she's playing with. She is literally exhausted, you guys, and I'm here for it. Like, normally she runs around all day. She's literally never tired. She had a full eventful day. I'm about to just go play some games with her, probably like color with her for a little bit, just so she can get like some activities in and not just, you know, outside time. She was playing on the swings and the slides for a pretty long time, so I'm about to just go chill, finish editing my video, and yeah, she's not hungry, and she also has leftovers from what we had at Applebee's, so if she does get hungry, I'll just give her that. Yeah, so I'm about to just go chill, relax, enjoy the rest of my day. All right, y'all, so I kind of wanted just to show you guys some of the stuff that I did get from Target. I got a few stuff for Pumpkin, and then I got some stuff for myself. Well, not really for myself, just kind of like stuff that I needed. So for Khalees, I got her these cute shoes. I think she could wear them pretty much. This is not like to go out. This is really just for her to go and play outside. Whenever we were just running to the store, give her something comfortable to put on. Because she's basically growing out all her shoes right now. So I just kind of wanted something cheap, something that she can just run outside in. Basically like her store shoes. And then I also got her these rain boots, which are so cute. They have the little handles on them, so it can help her put them on. These were $19.99 and so cute. They have like little ponies or little unicorns, and she loves unicorns, so these were so cute. By the way, she loves pink, so if you see me with a lot of pink items, that's because she loves pink. I got her this cute little skirt. I didn't see a top to match, but I'm just basically gonna get her like a white top that she can pair with this. But I thought this tie-dye skirt was so cute, and this one was $7. And I really want to potty train her. Well, she's getting so much better now. She doesn't really poop in her diaper or anything. She does pee in her diaper, so that's what I'm kind of breaking her out of right now. She's almost 4, so I want to get her into school, and I want her to be potty trained by the time she does go to school, hopefully. So I got her some training underwear. So I don't know the prices. I think they were like $9 and $10. But I got her these, and I got her this cute little outfit. It's some shorts and this yellow top. Isn't this so cute? I love buying stuff for her, and it's like she's my only daughter, so who else am I gonna buy stuff for? And then I got this pink top. So that one is cute. I don't think she could wear this and this together. This don't go together. You think she can wear these two together? Because I swore these, I don't know, but I'll pick these up. And then I got her some little plates because I want to start separating her like fruits and, you know, yada yada yada, whatever. Give her like a actual bowl for herself, so she's not eating out of our big bowls and the bowls that I had for her before she kind of grew out of them. So I wanted to get her these plates. I don't even know how much these were. And then I got her that car. So that's pretty much all the stuff that I got for Khalees. For myself, I just got myself some new erasers. This loofah to scrub my body. I needed some new beauty blenders because I was using a brush to do my makeup, like my entire makeup, and I was literally shook. I've never had to do my entire makeup with just brushes before, so I had to go ahead and get myself some sponges. And then I just got garbage bags, and I think I got a few more stuff. Don't need no more makeup brushes. I have a ton, but I still end up getting some brushes. I also wanted to try out this Makeup Revolution foundation. I don't even know if this is my shade, but I wanted to try that out. I also got this pink champagne white pink champagne white grape mandarin room spray. So this one smells so freaking good, you guys. It smells so good. So I got myself an eyebrow pencil, and that is it. Went into Target for garbage bags and came out with all this stuff. So a typical Target run. So that's pretty much all the stuff that I got. Oh, and I got her some socks. Oh, and I got myself a bath bomb. I've never tried one of these before. I want to try it out. I also, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I also got these 2 earrings. These, I love me some hoop earrings, as you can see, but I wanted to try these. These are so dope. Look at these. Super cute. Can't wait to try these on. And then I just got myself like some regular hoops. So these and these, they were about $7.99, so really good price. So that is all I got in my Target haul. So what I'm about to go do now is, I think I'm just gonna go edit my last video, and then I'm gonna get started on this video because I really want to get this video up by, I really want to get these 2 videos up by the middle of next week. I've been trying to do like some new editing. I got a new editing software that I've been trying out lately, so it's been taking me a little bit longer because I got to get used to that software, that new editing app, the Final Cut Pro. I haven't used it, so I'm kind of doing the free trial right now to see if I want to keep using or if I want to purchase it. So that's pretty much what I gotta do now. So yeah, I'll just check in with y'all later. Okay guys, so I kind of just wanted to go ahead and check back in with you guys. I took all my makeup off. I'm about to get ready for bed. Khalees is about to get ready for bed as well. So she is tired, so she's about to go to bed in a second, as you can see. Okay, good night, sweetie. No, Khalees lay down by herself. You lay down with Poppy. You don't want Poppy? Why? Good night. See you tomorrow. So I'm about to go to bed, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and hit that like button, and make sure you turn your post notifications on so you can get notified every time I post a video. So without further ado, I will see you in my next video. See you later. Bye.